How to fix this content isn't available problem on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, scroll down your notification bar. Here, turn on airplane mode. Wait for 10 seconds and turn it off. Then open Wi-Fi. It will reset your network. After that, you can try opening Facebook. If it still does not work, search Facebook icon in the home screen, hold on to the Facebook app, and then click on App Info. After you click on App Info, click on Storage and Cache in here. Click on Clear Cache. After you do that, what you can also do is simply restart your device. After you restart your device, you can open Facebook and try seeing that content. Sometimes this content isn't available, may also mean the person has deleted the content they posted. And this is how to fix this content isn't available problem on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.